welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing 2 Diamond Art Club unboxings. These are pre-orders. I have got 2 to show you today. They are both round and one of them is a Wonderland, and we'll get into that one first because it is smaller. This is one by Mandie Manzano. It is a 42 by 59, so right around a 50 by 60. Oh, sorry, 40 by 60. And it is in the new box, which I love very much. We've got our sticker. This one has 45 colors. It's got no AB, 1 AB. Where is the AB? I don't see an AB. Do you see one? Okay, we'll figure it out. I've got the regular toolkit. I will open one. I will not open the other one. Another 3-placer. I don't have 6-placers. They don't exist. Some baggies. 2 pads of heart-shaped wax, if I could keep it in my hands. The clear boat, a squishy, and a blue pen. Oh, can't get it back in now. I probably have enough bags at this point to kit up a painting in baggies. Set that off to the side. This one has the opaque paper, but the opaque paper does not look big enough to cover. Maybe it is. Can I say? It is long enough, but is it wide enough? Wow, look at that. It is just barely wide enough. Set that off to the side. Let's take a look at the canvas. Oops, my hairbrush. Got a tips on how to diamond paint. Drills. I'm really curious because it says with AB, but I don't see any. So this is going to be beautiful. Let's look at the details. This is a little box that says eat me, drink me. It does on the picture. You can't tell on the canvas itself because it's small. The clock up here. See the Cheshire Cat. This is supposed to be down here. No. Down here is supposed to be the little white rabbit. You can't see it though, but it's right there. Alright, let's take a look at the symbols. Are they clear? Of course. Is it sticky? Of course. You didn't even see it, sorry. Yes, it's sticky. Okay. Let us fold this over. Okay. Only 2 bags of 310. That's the smallest amount I've ever received from Mandie Manzano. Okay, we got 1 bag of 939, 2 bags of 310, 33.71, 823, and 820. Ha! 138. That's not listed. It was not. Oh, there it is. I found it. That's out of order. It's never usually out of order. 797, 798, 5200, 995. I love that color. 550. Oh, I like this color too. Okay. I like that one too. Here's the AB. This one reminds me of Neverland Yeah, Off to Neverland. But it is smaller. And I think it's got the same amount of colors and the same number of AB. All right, so let's take a look. 138 is a blue nothing. So we got some blue nothing here. Some blue symbol with nothing in it there. Some there. Some up here. Any in her dress? Quite a bit in her dress. Here. Somewhere down here. Oops, I'm causing an avalanche. What is P? What symbol is P? 152. I will see if I have enough AB left over to put some AB 141 in there. Probably not everywhere there's a P, but at least in these three on that one. Maybe some in the clock. And we will see. Maybe in her bow too. Maybe the whole thing. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, roll this one back up and set it off to the side and pray we don't have an avalanche. Move the drills. Next up, Love at its Darkest. This is another round, 51 by 76. Why can't I open this box? There we go. It'll probably help if I had a tool with me. Instead, I got so excited when I got the package that I just opened it. I did not think about acquiring a box cutter. Throw that on the floor, pick it up later. All right, this one's got 50 colors. Oh, that's gonna be pretty. Let's see. 3-placer again, same toolkit as before. Well, the only difference between a round toolkit and a square toolkit is the round one does not have the stab your eye out tweezers and the square one does. Put the box off to the side and have an avalanche because that's what I do best. This one comes with the opaque paper as well. This one is definitely long enough and wide enough. The pamphlet, tips for diamond painting again. Let us see this canvas. All right, so, oh, do we have 2 ABs? We do, we've got 126 and 132. Oh, this is pretty. Look at the detailing in her dress. That is gonna be so pretty. Let's take a look at the sticker again. That's gonna be really pretty. All right. Look at symbol clarity. Symbols are clear. It is sticky, of course. All right, let's take a look at the drills. You like how I rolled it up and then I unrolled it by accident? Good job. All right, I'm guessing this one probably has 3 or 4 bags of 310s. Here is that 132. It's a beautiful orange. I must have grabbed the wrong strip this time. Unless there's no 310. Nope. Ha! 5 bags. Not 3 or 4. Gotta give me credit for trying though. Ooh, 814. I like that color. I love burgundy colors. 2 bags of 414? Oh, 414, 1 415. Here's 413. 814. This is a pretty color. I like that one too. All right. Moving on to the next strip. 743. Oh, that's a pretty color too. 210, I like that one. 126. The prettiest bits of these. Okay, so we are looking for, what is it again? Orange and pink? Yeah, orange and pink. Set this off to another side and pray for no avalanches. Is that a drill? A runaway drill? Probably. Okay, ones and twos. Okay, so we're looking for ones and twos. Okay, here's some twos over here. Some more twos here and there. Some more twos there and there. Seeing a lot of twos. What's the one is pink? So we'll look for anything pink. I have a feeling it's just, there we go. Here's some right here and right there. Some in her dress. And that looks like that's it. All right. Here is this painting. Let me see if I can zoom you out some. There. That is, this painting is zoomed out as I can go. And here is this painting is zoomed out as I can go. Wow, look at the size difference. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up. If you like me and would like to subscribe, I would be happy to have you if you could hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and washing your hands. Bye.